Sticks and bones shall very soon have an enormous meaning of existential nature to Israel of today. O Israel, I am the Lord your God, the Holy One of Israel, whom I have restored to be a nation for these past 70 years, O Judah. And indeed, the modern state of Israel truly is Judah. So if Judah exists today, where are the other 13 named tribes of which Joseph has a triple measure? O Judah, where are those lost tribes, even of Joseph and Benjamin? Where indeed are the children of Rachel and her grandchildren? I, the Lord your God, have a great mystery to reveal to you, one of many, many secrets. But look no further than the prophet Ezekiel's prophecy of bones and sticks, inasmuch as you will find the answer as to how your God is going to reveal the lost tribes of Israel. End of message. Thusly says the Almighty Lord God, has spoken and written this day, date, and time of Monday, the 23rd of April, 2018, at 6 o'clock p.m. American Eastern Daylight Time. Tampa Bay, Florida, the United States of America, the place where my godly holy name is meticulously and awesomely engraved. Published for Saturday, the 18th of August, 2018.